Strange times we're living in, politically, economically and technologically. If nothing else, it's clear that more than ever before, we really need to be looking after our own income, our own future and our own security. Take the Brexit debacle here in the UK, for example. There are basically two sides to this argument if you choose to take part in it. Do we stay or do we go? Now, this was actually put to a vote and the country decided to go. But nearly 4 years of arguing, elections, scaremongering and infighting later, all we have is confusion, uncertainty and fear. On both sides we've seen expert economists, politicians, business people and the media arguing the toss. The result is that many people feel like their lives are on hold until there is some kind of outcome. Any kind of outcome. Businesses have stopped investing, recession looms again, and most of us really don't trust any of the people, the organisations and governments who supposedly have our interests at heart. But ironically, we're actually living in the best of times. Because while all of this goes on and on, there is another economy out there which is thriving, largely unaffected by it all, the internet economy. An economy part based on digital products which don't need to be shipped, they don't need to be imported or exported physically, and they change hands electronically with a couple of mouse clicks. These are products like training courses and education programs. They recognise no geographic boundaries, they are not subject to trade deals, restrictions or borders, and they address the biggest elephant in the room right now, which is the vast digital skills gap that prevents millions of people from taking advantage of the incredible opportunities that are actually available. Businesses selling these types of products can be set up quickly from anywhere, they can be largely automated, and whether or not the UK leaves the EU with or without some kind of deal is largely irrelevant in the digital business world. Whether or not you are able to function and prosper in it is, however, a different matter. So if you want to take your future, your wealth, and your life outside of this quagmire, you really need to let go of old world thinking and embrace the way things are going in a digital world. To do that, you need a new kind of education. You need to understand the kind of lifestyle and business models that exist now and meet the organisations, trainers and mentors out there who are dedicated to helping you stake your claim in this incredible new world. To realise your full potential and create the kind of lifestyle, income and peace of mind that you really want and deserve. By turning your back on the boom and bust cycle that is the old economy. An economy and a system that now offers no job security, no comfortable retirement, no job for life, and is in the hands of self-serving, superannuated elitists who seem as confused as the people they are supposedly leading. If you're ready for this, subscribe for our free 3-part video workshop. That's going to introduce you to some new ideas and real possibilities you may not be aware of, but which could be as life-changing for you as they have been for thousands of people just like you. Just hit the link on the top right of the video or in the description below and register for these free online workshops which really will get you thinking. Thanks a lot for watching, and now it's time to take action.